This here is thank you God for whoever came up with this invention.
Never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. I be acting up right before you come to see me.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jo and I am back with another video. So if you're new here, I post all things lifestyle, beauty, and fashion on my channel. So you're welcome to subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. Join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? You already know what's good. Welcome back and thank you for your continued support. So as you can tell by the title, this video is sponsored by Unice hair on Amazon. So if you want the deets on this really cute, convenient, bomb-ass hair, then please keep on watching. So this wig was sent to me from Unice hair. It came in this cute little box. I kind of damaged it over here. I've had this wig for like 3 weeks and I've been wearing it non-stop, so I can give you guys good information on this hair and if it is worth your money. So it comes in this box, and in the box they give you a little pouch that says Unice. It comes with nail stickers, a wig cap, the Unice head scarf to like lay your edges and stuff like that, and it also comes with headbands. So I am wearing one of the headbands, and also I have some others. I'm gonna grab them. It comes with these headbands. Actually, I'm not sure if you make the purchase with Unice if you will receive all of these headbands. Maybe you just receive one or something, but nonetheless it comes with a headband, and it also has a built-in black headband that I will show you guys shortly. But this is how the unit looks like. No product, only water, and I brushed it through with my Demon brush, which is amazing. This hair is thank you God for whoever came up with this invention, because I'm not a person that likes to comb my hair. Yes, I do have naturally curly hair, but sometimes it's a pain and the weaves be acting right. So yeah, this is 18 inches and I believe maybe 150 density, and it is beautiful. Let me turn around and show you guys. So this is what it looks like from the back. It's like an average length, I would say, for a working person, someone on the go, a mom, a student. This is the perfect unit for you. It requires such little effort and it looks so good and so natural. So I'm just gonna show you guys some styles that you can do with this hair because it's very versatile, and yeah, I believe it's worth every penny, and it was inexpensive. I believe it was like $100 for 18 inches of this hair. I'll have the link and coupon codes and everything in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how the wig can be styled, and also this unit has minimal shedding. So yeah, I styled this hair a few days ago. Actually, I styled it on, I think, Monday, I believe on Monday. So I just take it off at my head at night, put it on my wig head, and then I just pop it right back on in the morning and I'm good to go. So yeah, let's just get right into the styles. I know I talk a lot. So style number one is a half up, half down. As you can see, I'm doing this literally right in the screen, and it's taking me about 10 seconds to do this ponytail. So that is how it is for style number one. This is how it's looking from the side, from the front, from the other side, and the back. So this is super cute and fun if you're like going to school or running errands or whatever. This first look is super cute and it literally takes 5 seconds to do, so I'm sure a lot of us can appreciate that. So this is style number one. Style number 2 is just down and out. I'm currently not wearing a added headband. This is just the headband that comes onto the wig. So yes, you can wear it just like this. It looks super cute, super fun. I love it. This hair can also get super big if you play in it, fluff it out. So natural and nice. You can add various headbands just to match your outfit. So I want to try on a few with this hair down just so you guys can see how beautiful this hair is. I'm gonna do this yellow and blue one. It doesn't really go with my outfit, but I'm just showing you guys different headbands that you can wear with this unit. So you just put it on to your head, and there you have it. Super cute, girly, fun. You can also bring the headband all the way to the front of your head if you don't want to leave your edges out or whatever, but I like to leave my edges out just because I feel like it makes it look more natural, more realistic. And I'm just gonna try this other headband. So you see, I'm literally just pulling these off and putting them on. Super easy, doesn't need much time, and yeah, so convenient. I love it so much. And you just put the headband on and adjust it to your liking. I'm literally doing this without a mirror. I'm just looking in the screen on my camera. So this is literally so easy. Like, come on, I love it so much. Like, and as I said, this is 18 inches, so you can get it shorter, you can get it longer. They also have different textures, so they have straight, they have body wave, they have deep wave, they have a loose wave. Whatever kind of wave you can think of, they have it, and it's also affordable, and I love it. Like, what I'm going to do right now, so I'm just going to flip my head over and put it in the ponytail. Okay, there you have it. It is in a ponytail. And I will show you guys what exactly it looks like from the back. As you can see from the front, it looks super cute, super fun. Looks like my natural hair. And this is just it from the back. So you're all safe and secured when it comes to this wig. Super cute. You can also make it in a bun, which is what I'm gonna do right now to show you guys. So all of these styles are super easy. So you have a bun right there. Mine is kind of slanted because, as I said, I don't have a mirror, but you can make it straight, obviously. And yeah, you have a cute gym hair, school hair, whatever the event is, this wig can be cute for that. So I really love it. I enjoy wearing this wig. Thank you so much, Unice Hair, for partnering with me for this video, because honestly, this wig is a lifesaver. Okay, it is a lifesaver. Take my word, this wig is a lifesaver. And that's just period. That is just period. And look, I just pull it out and I am literally back to my original style, which is so cute. But I love. Oh, one more thing, you can wear a scarf. So I believe that will be my last look with this hair, so you guys can see how versatile and cute this hair actually is. So I'm just gonna grab this scarf and I'm gonna tie it. You can also do like those wraps with this hair, so I'm just gonna tie it onto my forehead like so. This is how I like to wear my scarf. You can, however, tie it which way you want to. So yeah, you're literally protected, and this is so cute. Just pop my sunglasses on and it's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. I love this unit. I can't count how many times I say I love this unit in this video. Like, this unit is it. I love it. I'm so glad I discovered this because it is amazing. Okay, it is super bomb. I love how full it is. I love how natural it looks. And yeah, this is it. Like, get on the wave and get you a headband wig from Unice Hair Amazon. All the information will be listed in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.